If ChatGPT is not giving you useful answers, I'm going to show you how to write better prompts in under 3 minutes with no fluff. I'll show you 3 simple prompt strategies that will instantly improve your results. Strategy 1. Don't be vague with your prompts. The more detail, the better answers you'll get. Let's say you want to start a gaming channel. You can just drop in the prompt, give me 5 YouTube video ideas for beginner gamers. So let's drop it in, upload, and see what we get back. You have your first 5 videos to start your channel with. Well, strategy 2 is where we can format. Maybe you're comfortable with a short, simple list. You could ask for that. Or maybe you're more comfortable with a bullet list. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us a bullet list. And there's your bullet list. This can help save you time and give you cleaner results and help you to keep your channel on track. The answers you get back can sometimes be a little overwhelming, and you don't want anything to discourage you from making your channel. So with strategy 3, you can refine your prompt. You might say, make it better, give me more options, or simplify this, because you want to set up a system that you can stay on track with. So let's say, simplify this. You'll get your best results just having a conversation with ChatGPT. And once you get to a format you like or a flow that you like, ask ChatGPT to lock it in for future reference. We're going to do one more real-world example by asking for 10 beginner YouTube video ideas for a how-to channel. I want you to know how easy this is and how much it'll help you in the startup of a channel, managing it, and keeping it going. Notice the answer we got back is in bullet format. ChatGPT has already committed that to memory. It knows that's what you want, and that's what it's going to give you unless you change it. Better prompts lead to better answers and faster answers. If you want more quick how-to videos on the things that you care about without wasting your time, just come back to see us. And if you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.